Box Breaks. As you know, my name's Will and I'm 9 years old. Today we're fishing for some rookies. We have a 2018 updated series, Topps hanger box. We're looking for some big rookies like Acuna Jr., Soto, and Torres. Wish me luck. I hope we get them. Let's get ripping! So there are 72 cards in this hanger box. It is a updated series, so I hope we get one of the Acuna Jr. or Soto or Torres. It's gonna be pretty hard to get those guys though, because it's their rookie. So there's a Get Off My Base card. There's a Eric Hosmer and Cody Bellinger card. Jordan Hicks rookie. Tyler Wade rookie. There is a Hector Santiago, Blake Trinan All-Star Game. Kirby Yates, Mitch Hanger, All-Star Game. Sean Doolittle. I thought that was going to be a 1 right there, so that was close. Bregman, All-Star Game. Archie Bradley, Altuve, All-Star Game. Tyler Skaggs, Joey Votto, All-Star Game. Jake Ordizzi, Austin Gomber. Ichiro, he's really good. Oh, and then we have a Juan Soto. So there's one of the rookies that we wanted. Jay Bruce, Freddie Freeman, All-Star Game. Mark Reynolds, Nick Markakis, All-Star Game. A Dylan Cousins, rookie. Daniel Robertson. Jonathan LaCroix, Pedro Strop, Manaea no hits against Red Sox, I think. Sean Manaea. April 21st, 2018. Robert Ozuna, Brandon McCarthy, Jake Reinmeyer, rookie. Garrett Cooper, rookie. Brent Sutter, Michael Soroka, Reese Hoskins, Home Run Derby rookie card. So that's pretty good because he's a good player and a Home Run Derby rookie. Danny Valencina, Paul Goldschmidt, All-Star Game. Gene Segura, All-Star Game. Trevor Cahill, Tyson Ross. Oh, and then we have a Daniel Robertson. That is a number to 2018 parallel, gold parallel. So that's a good card. Then we have a Alex Rodriguez. That's like a Legend All-Stars card, not numbered. Justin Fowler, rookie. Refractor. It is a little shinier than other cards. And then we have a Hall of Fame highlights, Chipper Jones. And then a Jim Thome Hall of Fame highlights. Jim Thome. Oh, and then a Storybook Endings 1960 Ted Williams. Hinjon Ryu, Legends in the Making Yu Darvish. Justin Upton, Legends in the Making. Rookie debut, Michael Soroka, rookie. Soroka. All-Star Game, Sean Doolittle. Jose Barrios, All-Star Game. Thunder and Lightning, Joey Votto and Billy Hamilton. Wander Zero, rookie. Mike Stassi, Freddie Peralta, rookie. Colin Moran, Carlos Gomez. Oh, and then we have a rookie combos, Pedro Araujo and David Hess for Baltimore Orioles. Brian Flynn, Philly Fives, Scott Kingery and Reese Hoskins card. David Bodie, rookie. Gleyber Torres, rookie debut card. He's one that we wanted. Nick Kingham, rookie. Corey Kluber. Max Monks, Homer Derby. Sung Hwan Oh. Berto Colin. Jeffrey Marte. Tyler Chatwood. Dominic Leone. Camille Reyes, rookie. The future is bright. Albies and Acuna Jr. and Aaron Nola. So that Ozzy Albies and Acuna Jr.'s card is good, and then Aaron Nola as a All-Star game. So we got the future is bright with Ozzy Albies and Acuna Jr. We wanted him. We got Gleyber Torres, rookie debut rookie card. And then Juan Soto, rookie. It is a Topps baseball, number Topps baseball update series, US 30 or 300. So that's pretty awesome. I can't believe we actually got those three though that we wanted. And then we got Jim Thome, Chipper Jones, Daniel Robertson, numbered to 2018, and Ted Williams, storybook endings. Thanks for watching our videos. Please watch more, and I hope we get some more good hits.